Hey guys, what is up? Today's video will show you how to boost Instagram posts with Facebook. Enjoying our videos? Consider dropping a like or a sub. It only takes a second. It helps the channel a lot. With that said, let's dive into the video. Alright, in this video, we'll show you how to promote Instagram posts using Facebook Ads Messenger. So you can use Facebook Ads campaigns to boost your Instagram posts. Creating a campaign on Facebook is simple. You need to set up special ad categories, the campaign details, and more. You can also test campaigns to see how it might go. You also need to set up the schedule and the budget you are willing to allocate for the campaign. Afterwards, you need to set up the age demographic and the targeted market. In the detailed targeting section, fill in Instagram so that the campaign is suited for your Instagram post. It's that simple. And that's the video. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.